And y'all, let me tell you something. For those of you who are on the fence about locks, like should I do it, should I not, get off the fence. Because this right here has literally been like the most life-saving thing for me ever. These are 2-strand twists, and I have had these 2-strand twists in my hair it's been 5 weeks. And y'all, let me tell you something. For those of you who are on the fence about locks, like should I do it, should I not, get off the fence. Because this right here has literally been like the most life-saving thing for me ever. Because my husband and I, you know, especially over the past few years, we've had a high stress life, and our commute every day back and forth to work, it is stressful. And to add my hair to that equation, I'm like, nah. So the choice, you know, when I really started looking into it, was easy for me. Now it's getting so much longer, and I'm having to be a little bit more creative. But the video before last that I did, I talked about the fact that I'm working out now, and I had changed back to palm rolls from interlocking. And I was really worried about that, about how my hair was gonna hold up, because I sweat really profusely because I'm doing strength training, and that's what women over 40 should be doing. Make no mistake about it. Strength is our friend. So I was worried about sweating my hair out. But anyway, long story short, my stylist was like, well, you can get 2-strand twists. And let me tell you something. This stuff right here, y'all, 2-strand twists. Hold on. 2-strand twists are your friends, okay? My locks are kind of small, and so I always wondered, dang, maybe I should have gone with a bigger size when I started my lock journey. But then this gives me the ability to see what having thicker locks, or, you know, that bigger size would feel like. I don't want to take this out right now. I do not want to take my hair down. I am loving this. Oh my goodness, it's so convenient. I love it. She said I was gonna love it, and she was right. If you're in the Fayetteville, Cumberland County, Scotland County area, Robeson County, I'm gonna put her information in the description below so you can go to her. She's really good. But anyway, she was like, you're gonna love this. So, and I do, and I really don't want to take it out right now. I'm real hung. I don't want to take it out, but I'm going to, because like I said, it's been 5 weeks, and I need to let my hair fluff out. I need to see what's happening with, like, honestly, look how small, I don't know if y'all can see that, but look how small my roots still are. This is like my new growth. It's not puffy, it's not anything, y'all. It's just, I mean, I don't want to take it out. But since I'm going to take it out, I figured I'd do a video. And this is classic wavy locks, and this is how you get it with these 2-strand twists. I've had them in for 5 weeks, and we're gonna see what it looks like now that I'm getting ready to take them out. Now, one of the other questions that I'm probably going to get is, how come I didn't record the process of the 2-strand twist? Well, that's because I didn't do them. My stylist did them. I haven't learned how to, like, do all that stuff yet. And I don't know that I want to. I mean, I'm one of those people who, I like to go to the salon and be pampered. You know, that's the time for me to just lay back and let somebody else play in my head. And I, you know, I love scalp massages and stuff like that, and it's just better to me when somebody else does it. So I don't know, I might learn how to do it and come back and do a tutorial on that. And again, this isn't a rocket science type of style, y'all. It's not, you know, this is 2-strand twists. The same way with your loose natural hair, when you do 2-strand twists, you get this nice wavy pattern. And one thing that I didn't understand about locks when I first was doing all my research, or when I first was kind of frowning upon getting them, is that you can do the same thing with locks that you can do loose natural hair. anything you can do with loose natural hair, almost you can do with locks. So once I realized that, I was like, hey, I'm in. And when I go outside, I don't have to worry about my hair getting wet. I don't have to run in out the rain. I don't have to worry about being in the dew and my hair shrinking up and all that kind of stuff. I don't have to worry about any of that. And plus, I get length and I can do any style I want to do. So I love it. One thing I might do is play around with some more color. Nothing crazy, because I don't really like all those crazy colors, but maybe something more, I don't know, between auburn and red, and not like flashy red, but like that pretty auburn color. Okay, here we go. Does anybody have an easier way to do this? If you got locks and you know, you got an easier way, let me know. I would love to know what it is.
Okay, in case you're still on the fence, let me just go back through a couple of reasons that you really should get locks. One is low maintenance. I mean, once your hair is locked, it requires minimal daily maintenance compared to other hairstyles. Two, versatility. Despite the misconception that locked hair limits your style options, like I said earlier, whatever you can do with your loose natural hair, you can actually do it with locks. Another good reason is hair health. Locking your hair can be beneficial for the overall health of your hair. And last, individuality. Locks are a distinct hairstyle that can reflect your personality and individual style. So what do you have to lose? I would at least try it, and if you don't like it, you can always go back.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I love it. But I do see in my future that I'm going to have to be putting it on top of my head a lot, because my hair has gotten so long, and it's getting hot. So it's a little bit harder to get along with, but anyway, this is it. This is a classic twist out for locks. So again, if any of you are on the fence about getting locks, get off, because I'm happy. I'm gonna be happy for a long time. I don't see myself turning back anytime soon. So if you have questions, comments, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for stopping by today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help the channel out a lot. Appreciate you, love you, and see you next time.